Then I place today on my birthday. You get me a forward from? I never want to do it, but they have me I do things. So we have a jerk chicken and stuff. We have the festival. And we have the roast fish, you see me? Rain kind of fall now, but... Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris, and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Strong in idea still, them a put me to work. So I go jerk and put things on the grill. Mr. February 23rd. Me and Tyrone birthday the last week. So I light up the grill, you know? And do the right. Come like rain want come down right now. Rain will come down, you know, but catch up the grill and go and do the right thing. You know, like Jamaican grill, you know. I go throw some fish on the grill, some roast fish. What jerk chicken or fried chicken? So jerk chicken and grilled fish. Alright, so jerk chicken and grilled fish. Tyrone there so I do the grill. So we have the roast fish and we're gonna stuff it with callaloo. Alright? Wash and clean and everything already. So nice and clean. I'm gonna season it with some fish seasoning in the middle. Just like that. Some black pepper. I will just get the crit into the carcass of the fish. Just a generous amount. Again, black pepper. Nothing too crazy. Let's introduce a little flavor into the belly of the fish. And we're going to do that on the outside. Light and generous with the fish season. Flip that over. And repeat that. And then go in with some black pepper. Well seasoned. Alright? And I have some more here. Just gonna get them seasoned up. Alright, there it is. All of the fish them seasoned up. I don't want to put any slit in them. You know what I mean? Because I'm gonna stuff them and I don't want anything breaking out. So it's gonna keep them whole like that. Normally I'd put a few slits, but we're not gonna put any slits in these ones. I have some callaloo right here. I'm gonna be using these to stuff the fish. So this is 1 pound of callaloo. Bought it in the supermarket already cut. I'm assuming it's washed and clean, but we're still going to give it a rinse with some salt and vinegar. Get some salt over that. Some vinegar. Go ahead and strain it off. There, another thing. This one jerk fowl on the grill, so I'm gonna finish up the fish right now. Cut up these things. And I just chop up some pepper, sweet pepper. Oh, come now. Now we have a sweet pepper. Hold on, Ella, hold on, man, come. Now I go fight it, I say hold on. Man, fight it. Get some carrot. Let's chop them up. Cut them up fine enough so everything cook evenly at the same time. A small white onion. Ella, hold on. I'm so talk to you. Yeah. So talk to you. Chop up an onion. And then tomato, I just remove the core. Just remove the core from the tomato. And just cut that up. Just to bring a little flavor color. Some garlic. Press those. Chop them up. Close the fridge, close the fridge, close the fridge. You not allow me alone, eh? You not leave me. No, no, lock it, lock it. Come on the light. And then scotch bonnet pepper to your tolerance. Don't want to overpour this thing out with scotch bonnet. So that is it. Add that now to the callaloo. Season up with some black pepper now. And all-purpose seasoning. Some blended green seasoning, we're gonna go in with some of that. And then some butter. Preferably if you have some softer butter. This is in the fridge, so it's a bit tough. Just gonna get some butter in there. Then we're just gonna mix that up. So we're just gonna spray some oil on here. Normally I would put butter on here, but the butter that I have is frozen, so or solid, so just use a little bit of oil. This is to ensure that the fish doesn't stick. I'll just spread that generously. Come with the fish now, which is well seasoned. We're gonna stuff that fish. So you get some of that callaloo. You see me? Stuff the head. Alright. So you know the fish is not gonna hold that much. I want a little extra, so just put it right there. Ensure you stuff the head. Nice clean hands. This right here will suffice for one serving. Just gonna roll that up. Gonna roll that up. Give me a second there. So boom bam. One fold. Two fold. And then a fold right here to trap in the steam. Same thing right here. Trap in the steam. Alright, here you go. You can add more foil if you want to, but this should be sufficient. Just keep this side up so that it doesn't open on us, right? Add the fish to the grill. Alright, cook this down nicely for about 30 minutes. Make sure the callaloo is nice and steamed. The fish is nice and roasted. Cover that down. Oh, good to go. Alright, so we're going to be making some festival. We have some flour right here. I'm going to go in with some cornmeal. I'm going to add some salt and baking powder. Add a little bit of cinnamon powder in there. That's optional still. I'm going to add some butter. We need some sugar, but the sugar is not here as yet, so I'm going to wait. Break up the butter in the flour. Fish is on the grill going. Alright, so once that's done, we're just gonna add the sugar once it gets here. The fish them are gone. And move them off of the grill. Yeah. Put these up at the top, ensuring not to pierce them, because we don't want any liquid to run out, right? We don't want the fish to burn, so we throw them up at the top. Cover and let it run nicely. We're going to go in some sugar now. Just mix in the sugar. Add a little vanilla to my water. Just gonna add some water to that, and we're gonna need the dough. Nice. That's your cereal? Nice. Just gonna mix that, make the dough. Almost done, yeah. Do another, man. It's okay. Do another. No, what me do? Please want the light. And there we go. So that's the dough. You want it to be slightly tacky. And then we're just gonna rest this for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna portion them out and fry. Alright, my friends, so we have the jerk chicken and stuff. We have the festival, and we have the roast fish. You see me? Rain kind of fall now, but yeah, man, rain a fall, but you don't know anything come down. I eat sitting and drink sitting over there, and I eat. It's a light thing. No sell it, no. So just cook and eat something, and like that. Festival them up. Just try going for Calalloo. Calalloo well steam out, you know. And the fish lightly seasoned. Have a good amount of pepper. The fish not too salt. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, my friend. Right, man. So, as you say, it's a simple youth. We don't need much. If we have a loved ones, we're good. Brother and mother, everybody there. Let's cook and we eat. And that is it, so big up on yourself. Enough love for the birthday wishes in advance. So I want to do the right, yeah? Enough love. Big up. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below. And say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.